One team uses AI brilliantly, another ignores it, another misuses it. No consistency, no shared learning. It's like 8 different companies pretending to be one. Use integrated workflows so every team benefits from the same processes, data, and prompt libraries. Here's an example. Prompt. Create a cross-team workflow for onboarding a new customer. Sales to finance to implementation to support. Add tasks, owners, and automation points. Then run training sessions on the same workflows. Everyone pulls in the same direction. Adoption accelerates. And scaling no longer feels like herding cats, because shared workflows reveal patterns that spark better habits, encourage collaboration, and steadily build a culture where AI truly amplifies teamwork. Finally, harmony without chasing anyone. Scaling AI across your teams in 60 seconds. Tick. See you next time.